Hey, what's going on guys, Kenzie here. In this video I'd like to demonstrate a web application I've developed that allows us to use a smartphone in order to manipulate mouse pointer on a laptop or a PC, and also to mimic key presses as well. And this turns the smartphone into a sort of remote control for your computer. So it works using two servers. So HTTP server provides the graphic user interface because I don't really want to stick to Android application. The initial version of this project was written like around 5 years ago maybe, and that was relying on the Android app as the client app. But here everything completely runs on a target computer, and I'm just using the web browser in order to get this web interface to actually manipulate the pointer. So without further ado, let's actually go for a demonstration. So let me just turn it on, and here this is my local IP address within my local network. I'm using the port number 5000 because that's the default port for Flask. I just have port 80-bin basis, so just try to use someone else. So left and right stands for the left and right mouse buttons. And tab here to type test is just a shortcut, sort of a text input to invoke Android keyboard. That just sort of a hack like that. Okay, and now here I have the UDP server running. So here it's UDP server up and listening. Here I have the HTTP server running as well. And now if I click, if I touch it, it starts moving. And you see, like down below in this window, so I'm also I'm controlling the mouse using my smartphone. So here down below we have the HTTP, the incoming post requests that are done by the API. And here we have the log of the UDP server, which tells what action is currently happening. So we're moving currently, and these numbers are just the coordinates of where the pointer currently is, right? So we also have the click. Okay, yeah, here is the click. So like here I click, and this may also work. Like I can just go here, for instance. So like I just, yeah, so click works, nice. What else do we have? Also we can drag and drop or select. So for this purpose, using this almighty left button, so I touch it, and now it becomes red, which means that mouse down event is being fired, and you see mouse down. I just used my mouse. So here mouse down, and by the way, even if I use the mouse, it's already kind of like as if the button has been pushed. It's not. It's kind of pushed virtually. So here I can select the text. All right, and if I click this again, then I can move back. So you just notice the command here. So now it moves, right? And now, for instance, I want to, so see, like I click the left button, it's kind of locked now, and I can select some text and click it again, so I release it. And now, for instance, I want to go for a right button click. So I go for right button click, and this nice menu arising here. I don't want to do anything with the menu, so I just click somewhere else. Okay, so far so good, but what about entering the text? So that's also the option. So let me just put the a cursor somewhere here. Nope. For instance, somewhere here. I just want to, yeah, this is okay. And now, in order to invoke the Android keyboard, I just tap here to type text, right? And the keyboard appears here. Right, see the keyboard, and now I can just press whatever. So let me just delete this once. So for instance, I can say hello from, yeah, it goes from the upper. Oh, just goes from a capital letter every time. Doesn't matter. From code monkey keen, and enter. And yeah, when I wanted to say thanks for watching, it suddenly stopped being from the capital letter for some reason. All right. Yeah, it's incredibly difficult to type on a smartphone. I don't like that generally, but yeah, just as a proof of concept. So thanks for watching. And exclamation mark. That's it from my side, guys. I hope you loved the video. So I'm planning to make a series, a full-blown series on how to code this sort of a thing. And by the end of this video, I can only say that the HTTP server handles like whatever coordinate I touch on the screen, and then sends these coordinates to, he calculates the offset, the relative offset for target cursor, and then sends this to the UDP server, and UDP server already executes the movements of the cursor and mimics the button presses using the PyAutoGUI library. So if those interested how one can create this tiny little piece of software, please welcome to the upcoming series. So it's only 2 files. So here is the app.py, which is the HTTP server with all the routes, serving all the kind of like options available, all the actions, so keyboard, right click, mouse up, mouse down, drag, move, click. And this is the GUI, it's just a template string here. That's it, that's the entire web app, and the UDP server is even less. So just a single line of code that just simply, I've implemented a sort of a protocol to interact with this too. So it starts by the command, like the action, the event, what are we doing, and then either the parameters like the offsets or the latter, we are kind of trying to type some text. So yeah, that's pretty much all about it from my side. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the tutorial series on how to make it. Until the next time, until that time, and take care.